Spotclean Pro Heat Pet Steam here. Wraps around. It's pretty easy. The only thing I don't like is how this gets caught up. This is realistic. This got tangled up around the hose. Easy fix. So here's the cord. Quick release for the cord on these. Nice long cord. I wish I could say the same for my liking. It's okay, but I think if it was, this is extra attachment that comes with it. This is for the dirty water. It builds up in here. So we just leave it there. When it gets dirty, we dump it. This is for the clean water, which is already up. It would go right here. So we're gonna put hot tap water in here. There's 2 fill lines. This is for just like spots, small areas. If you're gonna do a larger area, and by large, for this thing, I filled it up with water. The water goes to the line. The soap suds are a little bit higher up. Then this thing has to go in. I find this just a little bit difficult to get in all the way. It's a little bit of a challenge. It's just one drawback. I think there should be a better way to do this. It's just, there we go. This just goes in here. Pretty easy. That's all. For the most part, everything works great. Just a few little drawbacks. Nothing significant. This is something that when you buy it and take it out of the box, this is not attached. You have to attach it yourself. But once you put it in, it seems to be permanent. I think at this point, if I tried to take it out, I'd probably break it. So this is for the cord, the power cord. Wraps around this. This wraps around this. This holds extra attachments. Same thing. This did not come attached. You have to attach it yourself. And then this holds the end of the hose. And then this. So all 4 of these, you pop them in yourself once you buy it. They come as extra pieces. This little thing, this little burger here. See if I can get this off. It's like it's stuck. Oh, yeah. There's a little button here to push. Makes life a little easier. So this. Oh, so I forgot this. This goes with the attachment that we have already on here. And it just goes right in here. It's just very easy to remove. You just push this button to remove it. That way you don't have to take everything off. If this gets dirty and clogged up, maybe with a lot of dog hair, you can take this out, rinse it, and then just put it back in and keep working. You don't have to worry about all this. The other attachment is pretty nifty. It's for stairs. It's for the top of the step. This is for, here's the step and here's the riser. So we're getting at that angle, and then on the step, the edge where your foot quite often touches as it's coming up, this little thing here cleans that. That's pretty nifty. I don't have stairs, so I'm not going to be able to use it. For those of you who do, this is a great tool. So I'm going to show you how I operate this.